Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I am currently 40 weeks pregnant, as you could tell by this big old bump right here. So baby is due any day now, and I didn't really get a chance to pre-record a bunch of recipe videos for you guys. So I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna try my best after he is born to get back into recording and have a new recipe out for you guys every week like I have been. I just honestly don't know what to expect as I'm a first-time mom, so I'm not sure how soon I'll be able to do that. But I'm hoping in the next week or two, I can start recording again and start getting some recipes out. And let me know in the comments below if there's anything specific you guys would like to see. I know Thanksgiving is coming up soon and everyone is excited for that. So sorry I haven't posted, and maybe a couple of weeks before I do post anything, but I did just want to give you guys a heads up. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.